Hello everyone, this is Hetal Puria. Welcome to part 15 of CorelDRAW video series. In this lecture, we are going to cover more about the text, like linking paragraph text, editing individual characters, text in columns, and wrapping text with an object. So let's begin. So to link this text, what we have to do is we need to take one document and just use a paragraph, like click on this text and take one paragraph, drag it, and so here you can enter your paragraph. So what I will do, I have already copied my content from the CorelDRAW website from net, so I will increase the size of this to 24. Now you can see half of my content is not available. You can see arrow over here. This arrow means I have something which is to be shown, which is not which I cannot see. So what of suppose I only want my paragraph to be this much, so I want now another paragraph. I will click on this. I want my other text which is not hid, which is hidden, will be shown here. So what I will do, I will click on this. I will click shift and this also. I'm going to pick tool, click this with and shift, click this. Now go to text and paragraph and then link together. Now you can see that link is available within this. Okay, so now we cannot see any arrow coming here. Why? Because the text which is hidden here is automatically added in this paragraph. This means that you have learned linking between these two. Okay, to unlink, the procedure is to opposite or reverse. You can say, you can say shift this, shift and do shift this, then text paragraph, and you can do unlink. Okay, now you can see there is no link between it. Okay, now if I add something in it, it won't be added over here. So this is how you can use linking of the text. Now our next is working with the individual text. Now what does it mean? So let's say, for example, I have my text over here, that is CorelDRAW. Okay, now I want this I want to give, I individually want this letter to give different properties and shape and color. So what I will do, one thing is I will select one letter and I will give each letter a different font. Okay, like twice. Okay, this one way to do is like this way. You can give click you can select each and give a different color, or different font, and the same way you can allow to give different color also, likewise. Okay, like can use this in some. Okay, so this is my done. Okay, now I can individually color this, like I said, select this and can color, give different color also. Now what another way to do is I will select this letter. Wait, I will write something else. I will just erase this. Another way to do is, again take your text tool and type here like draw. Resume. Sorry. You have to zoom this, not resume, actually zoom. Then select this all, then click on object and you can break this object apart. Okay, now you can see this whole everything individually. You can manage it and change your shape, and you can individually give its different effect. Okay, so our next task is to add columns into the text. So for that, take a new document and take this and take a big paragraph space. Okay, so it can easily break down into the columns. Now to add columns, now you can see you will be able to, let me increase this size. Now you can see there is no column available over here. You just have to write in a line. Okay, so for adding column, go to text and columns. Now you can see this, you can add the number of column. You can maintain the current frame width automatically. For example, I want 3, so I will get 3. This gutter is the space between the two columns. Okay, Now what is this equal column width means? The column width should be equal. First column I want this, then all columns should be of equal size. This block should be divided into equals. Okay, so you can see a preview over here how it will be up here. Now you can click on OK. Now this is how you can add columns. As soon as you reach the first end of the first column, it will go to the next line, unlike the okay. So this is how you can do your column in text. So our next task is to wrap the text in around the object. So for that purpose, let us take one new document and let us take one object. Let us say this object and drop it over here. Adjust this object on your document. And fit to page. Okay, I have this document. I want text around this. So what I will do is I will click on this. I will take my rectangle. Okay, now I will take my this bezier tool and I will make a rough selection of the edge. Again go to pick tool, then again go to this, take rough selection from here also. Okay, done. Okay, so now what you have to do is select all three objects using the pick tool, this and this. Okay, and click on simplify. Now select this intersecting lines and delete it. Drag outside it and delete it, and select this intersecting lines. Drag outside and delete it. Now select this whole part, right click, right click on this and click on break curve apart. Now again click on side of the document, plain side, and click on this, then take out this and delete this. Now you can see, you can easily do. Now click on this. Now when you get this cursor, text cursor over here, then you can click on this and you can type your text over here, all the text which you want, and it will appear only around, it will be written only in this much area around your object. So this is how you can wrap your text around your object. So this was all about this lecture. Thank you.